$500. What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, guys, we're in Mandeville. We're in our hometown, but it's a rain and a bag of things that go on outside, lightning and thunder. For today's restaurant hop, guys, we're going to do a challenge, and for the challenge, each person is going to get 500 Jamaican dollars. We're $500, Renee. So we have $500 to get lunch, and we must ensure that we get a drink. So it is supposed to be a complete meal. So Renee is going to choose her restaurant, I'm going to choose my restaurant, and then we're going to come right back in, enjoy, dive in, ensure you have a receipt and stuff. I don't pass $500.
I don't know how this is possible. $500.
But guys, drop in the comments below what you can do with 500 Jamaican dollars, what meal you can buy, what complete.
No, but this is very serious. I mean, no, so when that I come again.
Let's go, guys. $500.
Strong also.
So guys, I'm going to try something at Flaming Wok. It is a Chinese restaurant in Mandeville, so I'm going to see what I can get for $500. Let's go!
So guys, I'm partially wet, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So today we're gonna check out this place right here. So it's Norfolk Guada Bistro and Lounge. Let's see what our $500 can cover here. Hopefully it does it. Let's go. At much talking, Lama, you are going with sorry to yet. Let's see what we can get from the menu here. There's a menu outside, so you don't have to necessarily go inside to check what's on the menu. Let's see what we can get for our $500. I'm seeing loaded fries, $4.50. Won't be enough money for juice. Polenta fries. I should try that. That's the only thing I'm seeing below $500 right now, with change left to buy at least a water. So let's do this. So let's see, guys. Hello. So I'm currently doing a challenge, so I'm supposed to get a food with something to drink for $500. You guys have, no? It's just the, okay, so can I have a meal for $500? What meat can I get with that? Can I have mala, please?
do the challenge here. Thank you. Guys, when you have high chest and you want a complete meal for $500, you can't come to a Chinese place. So I did not get anything to drink, so I obviously failed that part of the challenge. So I can't wait to see what Renee gets for her $500.
I have a little disclaimer though, guys. Because of the rain, I'm unable to like check other places. So this is my only option right now. So I'm spending wisely, basically. Really hope me win. I tried my best. I could only get the polenta fries and a bottle of water for it, $500. But I did my best, and that's what counts, right? So there are seating areas outside, so we're just here now waiting while they get a few orders of food. So stay tuned. So guys, guess who I ran into while waiting?
People. Feel that way with that one here.
The infamous. Let's see who's going to win this challenge, right?
Feel that way with that one here, people. Help!
I feel confident in
Right,
myself
prove
because I did my
yourself.
best. I did my best.
I did my best too, but let's see.
Okay.
Alright, friends.
Stay tuned, guys.
So guys, we're back. Feel away. Folks, it's time for the reveal.
I just want to say I spent my, well, I don't know if you guys can see it, $500.
So Renee gets her meal for $500. But could you get no juice nor water? Because but just really high and me go to a Chinese restaurant. But guys,
But what is the meal for Renee? Let's
so
see. So, you want to go
it's
first?
time for the reveal. So guys, I took fried rice with mala chicken, yeah, and some veg. What are you having, Renee?
Having polenta fries. I don't know. I was thinking of something different. But let's see how this tastes.
That's our cheapest thing.
Yeah. Let's see, guys.
Alright guys.
But I got my water as well. So I got
Sorry,
a full
Shane.
meal. It's a meal.
You may call her Shani. Renee actually won this challenge.
Yeah.
Yes, goody.
Do you guys know what polenta is?
Pack up fast too.
If you're Jamaican, you're supposed to know.
What is polenta, guys?
Polenta is like tonka meal, that's what them call it? Yeah.
Yes.
But it's made in fries kind of fashion or something.
And that is pretty unique and I want to try it. Tonka meal, turn cornmeal or tonka meal, whichever way you know it. That's what they did, and they did it in a fries format and they add cheese on top of it.
Yeah. They have
This is
like
good?
a corn.
You like
Yeah,
it?
this is very good.
Nice. And I'm having my mala. Let's see. I don't know about the fried rice, but I know about the mala chicken. The mala is good. Renee go on with herself to the people. Renee go different.
Okay.
She got cornmeal, thought cornmeal fries.
Yes, goody.
Friend, big up yourself. We gonna take fancy mala. I can't even buy something to drink.
Big up to women like me. We know how to make it happen. Right? On a budget.
Actually,
Feeling nice. What's the Moya? Nice.
nice. It
Yeah.
tastes good for true, man. It is very different. That's what I love about it.
Oh, and the Moya has never had.
I've never had turn cornmeal or ton cornmeal before. Honestly, guys. But this is well seasoned. And they have bits and pieces of corn in there. That makes it good.
Want some more water?
Yes, please. It tastes good. So guys, it's time for the fun facts. We're at the fun facts section, and for today, as you know, we're in Mandeville, and the fun fact that you want to know is that we're from Mandeville, guys. We're from the cool Parish of Manchester. Another fun fact is that the great Norman Manley is from Roxborough, Manchester. So Renee, what is your fun fact about Manchester?
Not necessarily a fun fact about what persons normally know Manchester for. It's a kind of returning residence kind of area, so you find that people will just come back home and want to settle because of its easygoing kind of thing here.
And it is very cool and cold. Yeah, cool to cold in Manchester. But guys, if you have any other facts about Manchester, drop it in the comments below. Let us learn a thing or two about Manchester, guys.
A moment in the word.
So my lovely people, as we encourage your hearts, I just want to tell somebody that you might not have had a good day. You might feel out of it and you feel like, man, the world up on my shoulder, but you are never alone. And please don't forget that you are exempted from any problems in life. We all have our own burdens and we have our own problems that we have to take care of, but it's how we internalize everything, and it is how we put it out there, and how we, you know, get over and fight our problems. So for example, like I remember my dad, I have never seen my dad got sick ever. And I remember 7 years ago, just like a regular day, coming home from school, so he was studying at the moment and all of that, got a call. I was at school, got a call, dad got a stroke. Folks, as I said, I never see my father sick in a life yet. I'm gonna say, man, it just coming like everything is just normal. And I am saying we might see sickness as something like probably a particular age. When you reach a particular age, you will get sick. That is how I viewed it. Like probably my father go get sick when he's very old or some of the sort. So I mean, through his problem, I have learned so many lessons. Like, no joke, I've seen my biggest blessings through my father's illness. Best believe it, I would not change it. I would not say, oh, I wish he never sick. And I'm not saying I am glad he got sick, because we see the changes that it has made in our life and stuff like that. So as you go, I'll tell you, I'll do a story time about my father's sickness and what happened, and you know, the little differences and stuff that it made in our lives. But all I can say is that I am grateful how my family handled the situation and how we just accept the new reality of it, because this is it come like a big problem, but God just fixed up everything and he sort out everything. It is not perfect, but all I know is that we are blessed, and you know, so we're not exempted from certain things. And just know that you are not either. Me go through my problems, then we probably just know show it to the world. Renee go through her things, we might not just show it to the world, but we all go through, and you just have to take it one day at a time. Like
yeah. And just to add, I was listening to this program the other day, Sim Souls, and Tessan Chin, she was on for this week, and she said something very important. We don't all have perfect days, but just try to find the little perfect in the day. And she was just saying, whether it be just your meal this morning, the hot shower that you got to have, whatever it is, just live in today and appreciate that little patch of perfect.
Live in the moment. And you know, like going back to what happened to my father, like I remember when in just making first step, when he said his first word, because you know the different side effects of a stroke, and it was a massive stroke, and we get so happy and like, oh, daddy said my name, or daddy said this is like starting all over. But we just find a little joy and a little peace and a little, you know, the little blessing out of all of that. Like, who wouldn't know say my father starts ABC and we have a whole, like, it's a whole party or stuff like that. So I mean, never you forget about the tiny little things in life. Be grateful. You can raise your hand, it's a blessing. You can smile, it's a blessing. You can I mean, the opportunity for us just to go out and explore Jamaica, it is a blessing, and for that I'm very grateful. So that's it, guys. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining and staying until the end. Big up your nice clean self. I love the support you wanna give me, and I mean, giving us on this journey. We appreciate it. Continue to watch and support, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if there's somewhere else in Jamaica that you want us to try, drop it in the comments below. Okay, guys?
Right. Here's something though, guys. I've been watching the comments, and I'm just here to correct you guys. My name is Renee, and it's spelled RENNEY. It'll be right here.
Yeah, right there. I'll drop it right there. But guys, until then, goodbye.